Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to show you how to go in and delete a Facebook business page or fan page. If you're unsure of how to do this, we'll go in, we'll view the fan page or business page, and then through a step-by-step process I'll show you exactly how to delete the fan page if it's no longer in use on Facebook. Okay, so get ready for this video. Thank you. Okay, so we are doing this on my Mac computer. And what you want to do is you want to open up Safari or Chrome or Firefox, whatever browser that you have, and go up to the top and type in the URL address bar, facebook.com. And then once it has come up, what you want to do, if you're unsure of where to find your page, come down here on the left-hand side under Explore. And then what you want to do is you want to hover over pages, and you see how it says pages below the little hand, and you want to click on that. So left click, and the page I want to delete is this one. So let's just click on the name, Body by Body 90-day challenge. In here is the one that I would like to delete. And so most people, what they think is they go down on the left hand, they scroll down and look on the left hand side for settings or something that they can click to delete this fan page. And you know, I created this back in 2011, and I haven't used it since 2014, and I still continue to get likes on this, and so I just want to delete it. I no longer do this, and I want to remove it off my fan pages list. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up above swag and watch my mouse pointer, and you're going to click settings. And this is really easy once you know how to do it. You're going to left click on settings, wait till it comes up, and what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And as you'll notice here, it says remove page, delete your page. So what we're going to do is we're going to left click on that, and then it says deleting your page means that nobody will be able to see or find it. Once you click delete, you'll have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind. After that, you'll be asked to confirm whether to delete it permanently. If you choose to unpublish instead, only admins will be able to see your page. Well, I want to delete this, so we're going to click delete. And if you delete this page, you'll still be able to restore for 14 days, as I said before. After that, you will be asked to confirm you want to permanently delete it. Yes. And then it gives you the option to unpublish this page. So if you don't want to delete it, you just want to unpublish it, you can keep it there, and you can view it on a later basis by unpublishing it, so nobody will find it. It's not going to be in the news stream. Won't be able to search it. I just want to delete it. Onward and upward, as they say. So let's just click left click. Page entered deletion mode. You can cancel deletion mode within 14 days. Okay, so they're going to notify me within 14 days. Do I want to reverse what I've done here or continue to delete it? I'm going to push OK. And now it brings me back to pages. So there you go. Page is actually still there. Let's just go to pages again. Click on pages. It comes up, but it says it's got a warning sign here. It says Body by Vi 90-day challenge is scheduled to be deleted in 14 days, and you have the opportunity here to cancel it. So that is how easy that is to go in and delete it. If you find that this video was helpful to you, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button down on the right hand side, and click the bell notification down on the right hand side as well. And any new videos that are coming out, that will notify you of my new videos coming out. And we have new videos coming out all the time, so that will keep you up to date and continue your learning process. And please share and comment on the videos. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.